Hi, in this video we are going to discuss about how to download and install Visual Studio 2019 for the purpose of developing ASP.NET MVC application. First of all, we are going to discuss about how to install Visual Studio 2019. For that, I am going to search Visual Studio 2019 installer. Here I am going to select Download Visual Studio 2019 for Windows and Mac. Here we are going to select the community version. Click on Free Download button. Then it will going to download. I am already downloaded it. Then I am going to search download. Here we have Visual Studio Community. Double click on it. Do you want to allow this app to make change to your device? Click on Yes. Then click on Continue. Click on Available. The next step is to select the workload that we need to develop MVC application. Here we have .NET Desktop Development. Select it. Then ASP.NET and Web Development. These two workloads are needed for the development of MVC application. Then we are going to install it. Click on Install button. We need to follow these steps to install Visual Studio 2019 for the development of MVC application. Here I am already installed it. Now I am going to open the Visual Studio 2019. I am going to double click on Visual Studio 2019. Then I am going to create my new MVC project. For that, click on Create a New Project. The next step, we are going to develop our MVC application, ASP.NET MVC application. For that, we are going to select ASP.NET Web Application for .NET Framework. It is very important that we should select the .NET Framework with C#. Here the .NET Framework with Visual Basic is also available here. ASP.NET Web Application Visual Basic. Don't select this one. We should select ASP.NET Web Application C#. Then click on Next. Then I am going to give a project name. For example, First Project. Then I am going to select file location. I am going to select in D, ASP.NET MVC project. Select folder. Then I am going to create. Click on Create button. Here we need to select MVC. Then click on Create button. Our project is created. Here we have solution. Here Solution Explorer. Here we have Server Explorer. This project is our MVC project. Here we have model, view and controllers. Next we are going to discuss about how to create a database in MVC application. For that, right click on our project name, then click on Add, then select New Item. Then I am going to select SQL Server Database and give a name for it. For example, I am going to give the name as Employee DB. Then Add. You are attempting to add a specific file type .mdf. Then click on Yes. Here we can see that our database is created, Employee DB, in Server Explorer. The next step is we are going to create a new table inside Employee database. Right click on Tables, Add New Table. Then I am going to give the table name. For example, Employee. Next step is we are going to design our table. The first field is Employee ID. The data type of Employee ID is integer, which is a primary key. We can set primary key as right click on it, and already the primary key is set. We can remove it. Right click on it and set primary key. Then I am going to give name as second field. Data type is nvarchar of 20. Address nvarchar of 50. Then I am going to save the table. For that, click on the Update button. Click on Update. Then we are going to update the database. For that, click on Update Database. Now we can refresh the tables. Here the employee table is created. In this way we can create database and tables in ASP.NET MVC applications. In the next video we can discuss about what is MVC and how to insert, delete, update data in ASP.NET MVC application. These all things we can discuss in the next video. See you.